The electronics value chain does not run on simple leadership advice. If you work in this industry, you know how many moving parts that there are. Technical teams, commercial teams, customers, suppliers, partners, hand up that have to work. And the decisions are technical and the pressure is real and the answers are not always obvious. Welcome to Leadership Manufacturing. I'm Sanna Winding. I'm an engineer, go-to-market leader, focusing on how leaders operate when complexity is high and the answers are not always obvious. I interview leaders across manufacturers, manufacturing's rep, distributors, OEMs, and the supply chain. This channel turns those conversations into practical leadership lessons for people leading technical, commercial, cross-functional, and global teams. Leadership Manufacturing is not just a podcast. It's a platform for real conversation, useful questions, and practical lessons from people who understand this industry. We talk about customer expectation, technical decisions, global team, supplier pressure, product data, AI, trust, and the human part of execution. AI is a tool, and it's stronger when the system around it is clear. And leadership is still the work. AI will not fix weak product information, disconnected workflows, or knowledge trapped inside the organization. It would actually expose those gaps faster. And that's why leaders need to build the foundation first. Clean product truth, reusable knowledge, clear ownership, better workflows, stronger buyer signals, and human validation at the last mile. And my last mile principle is simple. AI helps prepare. People help customers decide. So if you lead in the electronics value chain, make sure to subscribe. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.